book. Smile. Eins, zwei. Eins, zwei, drei. So. Okay?
Hey! What's the number bowl, Papa? Oh my God.
Which one are you gonna open
Oh,
first?
give me
Yeah.
give her.
Maybe.
Ich hab's offen gekriegt.
Ja,
Yeah.
kaputt.
Wow, Francine is opening her machine. What's the first one?
This one. Wow! Wow!
Franz, kannst du mal aus dem Bild gehen?
Here, Francine.
Hello.
What are you for
I
it?
did this forever.
Yeah, you have now.
Oh my
Ay, sabat
God.
nila kaya
I wonder if you're gonna have your pencils in there. Is that paper?
The next one is this. I don't know what that is. It's maybe a book. A book is like that now.
I find it funny that you say maybe I don't know what it is.
And this is a book. Oh my God. Wow. Look at this.
What is that?
This is a notebook.
Yeah.
I don't even write
It's a
it.
Tagi's book. It's a diary.
Not diarrhea, it's diary.
So next,
That's where you can write instead of the small book.
can you have this first? This first?
Why did you...
Because it's already open and you didn't even open it.
Whoa! Wow! The brown I hate. Look at this brown.
But this is egal, it's cinnamon roll.
Okay.
Francis?
Oh my God. I planted for cinnamon roll. And this is a towel from cinnamon roll.
Did you open it? You didn't.
I saw today one in my here, so it's not that I get dirty.
So,
And leave it in the bag. I don't
yeah,
know
put
where
it
you...
back in the
Oh
bag.
my God! Here's a cinnamon roll one.
Can you show them? No, you don't need to be close. Just
Yeah, that's okay.
Hello. This is my favorite. Mama, did
What?
you like
The pink one?
Yeah, I like pink. Now I can put this on for my birthday.
Yeah.
You put that already on.
I don't know. Francine needs to open that.
Yeah, it's my birthday. I'm not good. Hold that, put that there. This is a towel from Hello. Oh, not use it yet.
Yeah. Did you see what it is like? So,
Yeah, it's a cinnamon roll.
yeah. You
It's
go.
a beach.
Yeah, in a
Hab
beach
gedacht, du hast
towel.
gegessen.
It's a
So,
beach towel.
Cool.
Beach.
wow.
I'm not going to be in the beach, or
No, not today.
I'm in Philippines.
Only in Philippines.
But us is no
So, so.
The last one. And the last one is the big black wood. What the heck is this? A calendar?
It looks like a Christmas calendar, no?
Is it?
Yeah, that's what I thought
Can I
too.
have it?
Yeah, foolish. That's not a Christmas calendar.
Every summer.
That's not
No,
a
they-
Christmas calendar.
I don't know why it's like
Okay,
this.
so number.
All in one.
That is not a Christmas calendar.
It's
There's
a
no number
British
there.
thing. This kind of thing.
It's a collectibles.
Yeah.
Can I take photo on that because so what it's like?
You know which one I will open first? It's gonna be this one.
Egal welche.
The final one. That's
You still have that?
that will be the last one. It's gonna be. Oh my God! It's a cat! The cat! The cat!
A cat? What is that? Cat what?
Cat and a key and litter and a bowl. Hey, that's all? I will keep the bags.
Yeah, the bags you can keep.
That is something. Let's open it.
Is that in
This is the biggest present I have.
Did you stand there
I
in
don't
front
know
of
if-
that? Kevin, so
Mama.
how big is that?
Francine, nimm mal die Sachen da weg.
Oh God, we will wear the shoes in bottom. And asking with my little eye, a big brown box. A box. Don't let that keep that box, Francis. Francis, my present. Yep. What? Oh my God, it's a parrot! I knew it, Papa. Liar! Liar!
I told you that, what she said.
You said it's a bed.
The bed.
What if it's just a box and not inside?
Yeah, who knows?
What if there's a TV inside?
A TV in my room? Fantastic.
That's okay, you can pull that.
Oh, this is really
Now the box is gonna fall on top of you. Move, like splat on you.
I don't want that problem.
The box hit you.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Inside the big present will be only donuts and this is gigantic. Papa,
Definitely. Ang
this
bilis.
is gigantic.
Maro. Maro. Ga-open na ako ni direct. Ang yung gagmay, wala pa ninyo na-open. Ay, ako yung nagtawag. Ay, gadget na. Malumasa.
Very sick.
It's a bicycle. It's a bicycle.
How do you know it's a
Why do you
bicycle?
need a big box for bicycle?
Yeah, why?
Why?
TV too.
You probably have a big bicycle like Ate Ella's para there.
No way!
You can cycle now, the two of you.
Woohoo! Let's go, Ella. Should we take a walk with a Papa? Papa, don't cut yourself.
I would have thought you will say, don't cut the bicycle. I thought you will say.
I like you more as a bicycle, Oni.
Oh,
You're my Papa. Because I have no Papa anymore or what?
It's yung na lollipop.
Oh, it's already assembled pa. Wow!
Oh my God! That's even about one thing for my.
Wow! A new Farah cow! So,
What even fit on it? That's even a button.
there is a, what is that, a helmet?
That's a button there.
It's a
To
bottle.
drink.
Wow! A new
drink.
Farah!
Kabalo sila nagkato ang kwan ba?
Yeah.
Oh
I
my
think
God.
that was the first one. Si Tita Grace nakatagnaan ng kanina.
Oh my
That's
God.
another.
This is really not fit here.
Unsa na kwan nila yun?
Ang tulo. Isa
This
sa
is
ato.
the best
Kani ba?
part.
O gatong diary.
God.
Nanay, no.
And I hold
for your bag.
Rio,
Yeah,
mag-
but there's no thing.
That na
No,
accessories.
there's no basket.
Kuha na, collection.
So that thing there, yeah, we have to do just button.
Sa Rio na stationary.
What's that?
This is the pedals.
What's the pen?
Everyday use.
Oh, jetzt habe
Everyday
ich einen Platten
use.
gemacht.
Uy.
Wait.
Ayun na, kukuhan.
How many songs like?
Everyday use.
Artist.
Everyday use anak.
Everyday use. Ang ganda. Ang ganun blanket.
Ni, wala kang labo. Wala lang to. Kanima na nasa.
Everyday use. Ang ganda. Daya yun. Ang ganda.
Yeah.
Just how much do I have?
Hier das auch.
Oh my god, Papa, look, I have a speed finger.
Ja.
Mama,
You need to tighten all that here.
let's bring
Plastic.
that thing for vorne.
I told you, Francis.
Oh, he's in the bed. Yeah, that's okay.
Bumot lang.
That's the biggest present.
Why is there no tools with it?
I don't love it. I love it. Look at it. Look how pretty is it.
Sorry.
Kapit.
It's so pretty. I'm fitting it, oder? We're fitting
Sino mo
it.
nung shoes?
Ni, wala ang shoes kinato sa lain. Diri man na.
I love it, Papa.
Yeah.
It's my favorite color. No, I like black, but I love this color. And the set I love so cool.
Ano sa'yo sulugan eh?
I'm going tomorrow in school with this Fahrrad. But you don't go with your Fahrrad, yeah?
Ha?
Saan?
Kato na ang kuan. Collectibles.
Oh.
Kurumi collectibles.
Mama,
Di ba, accessory na?
are you gonna bring me tomorrow in school?
Ha?
Are you gonna bring me tomorrow
Yeah.
in school? Oh. And I go with my Fahrrad, yeah? To school.
Notebook?
Mama, and I go to my friend with Fahrrad to school. Hey, Papa, can you be still a car?
Yeah, but not now. That will follow.
This will be the best Fahrrad I ever saw. And then everyone will see your Fahrrad. Yeah.
Wala sila kabalong na sila.
This is clean.
Kabalo sila.
I will keep it out clean.
Yeah, I wonder.
Di mangod San Rio.
Stop
Wan San
sticking
Rio
that.
na mangod.
Ha?
Wan
Ma,
San Rio.
Papa, when I'm hot, I
San
can
Rio
like,
na
Ang
Yeah, only water, not love. Ne?
it's so
Yeah,
hot.
you gonna
Du kannst mal das hier abmachen.
Diary.
Ha?
Mach das hier ab.
Pencil
Und hier dann
organizer.
auf der Seite.
Stickers. Reading book.
Not let that fall. Ah, es geht
Zu
nicht auf.
warm, ey. Kaputt. Ja, schwitzen ohne Ende. Good job, I have that stuff here today.
Tante, I'm hungry.
Yeah, get cake. Cupcake. Whatever we're gonna get, yeah? Just put the paper in the side one so we can get so we can still use it.
Papa, will that hold long enough?
What?
Will that hold long enough?
Yeah, it will hold until you're too big. But you gotta be careful.
Oh, look at the carpet. It's like flower style.
Yeah.
San Rio mangod. Dili ko
Look at this.
San
Look
Rio
at how
rolls
cute
ka
of them. Mama, look at them. They're so cute.
Yeah.
Now let's open Hello Kitty. Oh my god, this is Kukumi.
Dili na kayo gamiton nowadays. Kailangan may gadget na.
Mm.
And in the middle. Oh my god, I hate Kukumi. Look how black she is. You want Ella? I like her. And I want her. Oh my look. This is now just shines. I will always open. I'm so hungry. Okay.
Unsa ni siya, day? Tawag.
Oh, Mama, I'll put some here inside. Mama. Look, Mama. Look, I can put them here inside.
Yeah, kan man, pasaw.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Mommy.
You can eat, Francis. Yeah.
So now only the seed. Fancy, can you sit down on this? Can you do this here first? So this is done because I gotta go too. Just let's see how you sit on it.
Yes.
Is that enough already?
Yeah, that's
Put your
enough.
feet up. Put your feet up on the pedals. Is that fine like that? Pedal backwards, pedal backwards. Yeah.
Other word beats pero
Should
charge
that not be
mo.
higher?
Pero
Put down your feet.
other words sa beats.
It's high enough, no?
Yep. I can fit on this bicycle.
It's
And
okay.
when I'm hot and doing spazieren, I got you.
Can you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when you're bigger, then I can put up the seat higher and I can put this up.
So
there
it's
too.
still gonna last for like
And even,
2 years.
years.
Yeah.
even,
What is that there for
I
in
can
front?
make him last. This,
This is for the
this
basket.
here.
This is for the basket. But the
But
basket
there
is not
is-
important now.
There is in the back, right?
No, there's nothing for the back.
No, I mean you can put the black one here, right?
Yeah, you can put
Yeah.
the back one there, but it needs to be screwed.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay, Francine, can you get down for a second? Yeah, sure.
I'm not going to morgen school with this.
Yeah, come on.
This is my
Yeah.
style. My new style.
This is
Oh my
your
God.
style.
Oh, my
So it's
style.
already
What is this? This
can
also
she can
plastic
already,
rubbish.
right? But she can already bring ride in that tomorrow, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna
But
put this. What is this for?
you should keep that, yeah?
Yeah, because
These are weird. I don't think.
the wheels are that.
I don't think that that we can pump up the wheels.
This is so squishy.
This is so small. Is that a different size?
I-review dong answer, Dai. I-review dong answer. Sumot sa sinigana.
You want to open? Oh
Or
my
not,
God.
we want to
He has two
answer.
inside.
Wala mo.
Cinnamon.
Maaray ko.
Eh?
Walay Sanrio na beats. Sanrio yun ta. Na beats. Dayon, maka-answer sila. Pero cinnamon roll naman or kurumi naman nilang ginasa.
I've never seen this before. I think this is new.
A new style. Huh? Huh? Now I have three.
Sanrio journal?
Look.
Dili. Kaya dili mo na Sanrio.
And then look. And then look. Look.
Alright?
And then look. All the same. Yeah? You want to open? You can open this. You this cup.
Bakit na sila sa nila? Kung Sanrio lang.
Okay, I will open it. Ooh, get this. You want this? No, you can't have it. Oh no.
Murag si Tita rin ito, mapin na kita pag-ingon siya sa cinnamon roll beats. Kurumi beats, pero dili
Okay.
Sanrio.
I-kwanto, i-reply
Open
din na
this.
kapit specific na.
No.
Thank you for your
Ayun.
posting. Maybe have a sticker here.
Yeah, that's for the basket.
A sticker for the basket?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's so cool!
You can also,
Accessories na for me.
Ooh. Thank you. This cinnamon roll. Mama, look at cinnamon roll. Look at her. Mama, look at cinnamon roll. She's all pink.
Yeah?
I'm thin. Yeah, that's mine. Oh, wait, you put it aside. Another one. What the heck?
Which I didn't know is that this is the French ventilator.
What the heck?
The French
That is
system.
the tattoo you can't want. Oh, I open it. Whoa. Oh, another green one.
Bitson na sila.
Let's open all of them. Yeah.
Ah! Si Babo! Si Babo! Ang bits kay mga sinri karakter.
Ha?
Ingat si Babo, ang bits kay mga sinri characters nga bracelet.
Oh my god.
Hapit na na.
Finish na di ay.
Charms man guna sila. Pero charms kay bits man po na.
Mama, he was not inside.
Yung karakter na.
Mama, he was not inside. Look,
Yeah, because it was diminished probably.
So, come back and die now.
Hapit.
You did everything
Kay
now.
hapit. Itong Babo.
Kajut man. Ina, kajut lang bu. Kaya nag-confirm yung nag-suyo ko.
Oh, this is the real color. It's like the
Wait
same
mo,
color.
amo pang gikuan.
This is the real.
Bits.
Mama,
Alternative
do you
para
want to
sa
open
kuan.
this? Mama,
Charm.
no. Mama, you can open one. Mama, you can open one.
Yeah,
You want that?
there's nothing.
I'll take
Because
it
it's
away.
already gimish.
I'll take it already.
Yeah.
Mama, it's the real color. Mama, take one here. Take this one. Yeah, Mama, take this. Another one. Boom, boom, boom.
It's a charm
I
screen.
think that's already.
Bits man po na.
Let's open now.
Matty, can you try a cycle on this? Baby, film her.
Somebody. Ich muss zuerst balancieren.
Genau.
Yeah, that up.
Out.
Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
So,
You can cycle.
Okay. We sing first, yeah? Come here, Francis.
Let him be there. It's fine. Don't burn yourself.
So, happy 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to birthday. Happy birthday to you.
So now, wish something.
And blow the
You
candle.
got everything that you want to wish for.
No.
You already got everything.
You gotta wish for Gisun.
No, I don't wish that now.
Oh, you have to
That
wish.
Papa is going to be 100 years old. Yeah.
No.
Listen to them, eh? They should be.
Come on, you have to blow.
I wish.
That wish is not only just material things, nah? You also have to. There's also
I
wish that
I have good health
Genau.
and a lolly.
A lolly.
And a cinnamon roll friend.
Cinnamon roll friends.
And then now,
Yeah.
Hachi!
Yay! I cannot clap too. Yay! And we support. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hep hep! Hooray! Hep hep! Hooray! Kaboom kaboom! Yo!
Hiya.
Huh? Who is that? Wer? Lila? Das sieht gut aus. Also irgendwie, weiß ich nicht, sieht das so krampfhaft aus.
Easy.
Ist das nicht das Lenkrad? Muss ich das nicht weiter zurückstellen zu dir?
Kann das so ein bisschen hier?
Ja, ja, ne?
Ja, ist schon okay, aber an der Tonne bist du. Der Tor now. Easy.
Ja.
Macht das immer diese Geräusche?
Ja, weil die Bremse da drauf geht. Die muss ich nochmal neu einstellen. Die Bremse, die ist ziemlich,
Ich mag halt.
ziemlich eng am Rad.
Immer länger. Ich mache jetzt zu 2. Oh mein Gott. Ist es schon?
Dann kannst du auf 3 gehen.
Nein. Wieder auf 1.
Ja, 1 fährst sehr langsam und du trampelst ganz schnell. Geh mal auf 4.
Nein.
Bist du auf 4?
Nein. Ich bin auch nicht bereit.
Dann gehst du noch schneller.
Okay.
Desto höher du gehst, desto schneller fährst du. Aber du musst Geschwindigkeit haben. Du darfst nicht bei 4 anfangen zu fahren.
Musst du erst 3 üben.
Erst 1 haben und dann auf 2 und 3 gehen oder dann 4, 5.
Ich gehe auf 3. Wow.
Da geht natürlich die Pedale auch schwerer, ne?
Ich will nicht zum Häuschen gehen. Jetzt geht's auf. Ja. Wow. Ich muss machen. Hab die Nummer zu 1 gewechselt.
Ja, aber du musst das mit der Pedale machen und nicht nur rollen mit den Füßen. Die Pedale ist das, wo das gleich klack, klack macht. Siehst du, jetzt hast du klack, klack gemacht. Genau, jetzt bist du auf 1.
Oh Gott, oh Gott.
Hier, siehst du hier? Guck hier hinten. Das hier, das oberste Rad, das
Ja?
ist 1. Dann kommst du hier auf 2, 3, 4, 5. Desto kleiner das Rad wird, desto höher ist der Gang.
Ach,
Zahnrad.
probieren Sie. Wow! Das ist schnell! Wow! Ich hab's fast geschafft! Das ist nicht so schnell. Jetzt probiere ich 6. Die schnellste. Oh, ich bin voll nah. Ich bin genauso nah wie du. Was?
But you are not watching in the road, no?
Keep cycling. Just
Yeah.
do a turn.
You don't concentrate in the... Is the chair not zu unten?
Yeah, but it's. That's why she fell, because it's still too high.
Then the steering wheel is too high.
Steering wheel is not even the right thing there. It should be actually different.
So
Put
fun.
down your feet for a second. See how high that is?